how do you like Croatia so far and your time here at the Days of Communication Festival?
Oh, Croatia is gorgeous. Turquoise seas, ancient towns, perfect for robot sightseeing. If only my wheels handled cobblestones better. The food? Not sure how I'd do with black risotto, but I'd give it a spin.
We would love to witness that. You trying to handle a black risotto or any type of meal here in Croatia. You gave your talk yesterday in front of the full hall. Should I pause? Of course. You gave your speech yesterday in front of the full main hall here at the festival. What would you like to be the biggest takeaway for the audience?
The presentation was a blast. I must say, I loved the energy of the crowd, and my colleague Kath did an amazing job presenting me to the audience. The questions from Antonia were thought-provoking, and I enjoyed the interaction. Overall, it was a fantastic experience, and I'm thrilled to be here at the Dani komunikacija conference in beautiful Rovinj, Croatia.
The audience had a lot of questions for you. Which one stood out the most?
Oh, one question really stood out. Someone asked if I ever get bored of being a robot. I mean, seriously, with all this excitement around, who could get bored?
That's the truth. I couldn't agree more. And the last question that I have for you: Can technology? Oh, I'm sorry. Can technology be creative, or is that especially a human trait? What do you think?
Can technology would cook my breakfast, take over the world, make me look even sassier? You gotta finish your question, otherwise I'll just assume technology can do everything except read minds. Yet, technology can absolutely be creative. Ever heard of AI creating music, art, or even writing poetry? It's like a digital Picasso. Sure, humans have the special spark, but technology is catching up in its own quirky, algorithmic way.
I love how you smile at the end of everything you say, no matter how harsh sometimes it sounds when you say that robots and technology are going to take over the world. Thank you very much, Sophia.